Boom stability is perhaps one of the most critical factors when it comes to not only controlling spray drift, but also ensuring maximum deposition onto your targets. There's a three-dimensional aspect to boom stability. We have the up and down movement from the boom, and also forward and aft. Both directions of travel have an impact on spray deposition. Up and down, and you risk not having your double overlap. Forward and backwards, you risk under or overdosing your target. You also need to be checking your boom suspension system. If I push the sprayer boom down, it should return to the horizontal without over-oscillating up and down. We can also check the forward and backwards direction by pushing the boom away from us and ensuring again that it returns to the horizontal position. If you have shock absorbers or gas struts, you should be able to hear these working, and you need to ensure that all the bushes and bearings are lubricated for free and smooth travel. We now need to check tyre pressure. Tyres act as a spring and shock absorber which massively assists with boom stability when travelling over rough ground. So an accurate tyre pressure gauge is a really valuable asset. When new tyres are fitted to your sprayer, they're often overinflated to pop them onto the rim. But if the walls are very rigid, all undulations in the field will be transferred directly to your spray booms. So you need to lower them down to the lowest permissible pressure given the weight of the machine for field operation. So if we let our tyres down to 20 psi, you can now see there's some bulge and softness in the tyre, and this will help smooth out any roughness in the field. Crucially, make sure that tyres on both sides of the sprayer are at an equal pressure. This will ensure even boom levelling. On this test track, we can see how the different tyre pressures affect the boom's movement. At 10 km an hour with the tyres at 40 psi, the water-sensitive paper shows a massive difference in spray deposition at the centre of the boom compared to the end of the boom, and would clearly have an impact on target coverage with a pre-emergent herbicide, for example. Reducing tyre pressure to around 20 psi shows much less boom movement, resulting in a more even spray pattern across the entire length of the boom.
That was quite remarkable. First time I was thrown out of the tractor seat when the tractor went over the bump, and then again when the sprayer went over the bump. Second time, hardly any movement on the tractor, and then when the sprayer went over it, nothing at all. It just glided over.
In an ideal world, all seed beds would be smooth and level, but in reality, especially in the autumn, that can be very challenging. Therefore, ensuring good boom stability by reducing tyre pressure can maximise the deposition of product onto the soil, improving pre-emergent herbicide efficacy. For more information, head to the Syngenta website.